I take up two subjects today: concussion of the brain and congestion of the brain. Concussion is usually of the physical part, that is the head. It is an injury to the head that results in unconsciousness. Its complete impact is known only when the patient returns to consciousness. Its symptoms are a partial loss of memory, lack of mental coordination, confusion, nausea, dizziness, headache. Medical advice should be obtained as early as possible. Meanwhile, the following homeopathic medicines can be taken for benefit. Arnica 200 is the first remedy in any injury on the head, in new cases as well as chronic cases. In chronic cases, the effects of the injury appear after a long time. If the concussion has resulted in convulsions, give Cicuta 200. And also in chronic cases where arnica has not proved effective. If the brain feels compressed, the skull has been fractured, use Hypericum 200 simultaneously with arnica alternately. In this case, there will be also an injury to the nerves. Congestion of the brain or of the head is an accumulation of excessive blood or tissue fluid in blood vessels or organs. Any surging of blood to the brain, the first inflammatory stage with throbbing, undulating sensation as if the brain is moving in waves, there is fullness and pain. These symptoms require Glonoin 200. There would be also a sensation of a rush of blood to the heart. The patient will have relief in open air by application of cold water. He wants his head uncovered. In cases of throbbing and fullness, but less intense than otherwise, Belladonna 200 is the remedy. The patient is better bending head backwards. He is better by pressure on head. Worse by head uncovered, worse lying down. Any motion aggravates. Heart action is not so much disturbed as in the case of Glonoin. These remedies would help you to take care of the patient before medical aid is obtained from a qualified physician. Thank you.